Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2004 Honda Civic 1.7. So the car right now having check engine light code and the transmission code. I'm gonna show you for the engine and the tranny. So for the permanent, it's showing me this code is the transmission having issue, so you would have to replace the whole tranny. But the customer wants to do it the cheap way. She only wants to replace the linear solenoid. So this one is for the check engine light, evap, small purge flow right there. And then for the transmission code, I'm gonna go back to transmission code. There you go. That's for the transmission, the linear solenoid code. So most of the time people would replace this solenoid first before they do the transmission. So if you fix the linear solenoid and the codes go away, that's good. But if it doesn't go away after you replace the linear solenoid, you're gonna have to replace the transmission. This customer, she don't have money, she wants to do it cheap, so I'm only replacing the linear solenoid on the tranny and change out the transmission fluid. So for the transmission, linear solenoid is located in front of the tranny. So if you take out this battery, you can get access to the solenoid, which is, let me see if I can zoom in. That one right there, the one with the two connected to it, is that whole piece assembly, the linear solenoid. This is the linear solenoid on the transmission. This is a new one I bought. This is on eBay. I'm not sure which one is the part number. I don't know if it's that one or this one. So I removed the battery, so you can see the solenoids, this whole piece right here. For the connector, you're gonna press on this tab in the back, pull out. Oh, it's broken right here. Somebody walked on it before. So the bottom one, same thing. Press on the lock in the back, pull it out. There you go. For the solenoid, it has 6 bolts. They're all 10 millimeter, and then you can remove it. And then I'm gonna drain the transmission oil also. And for the transmission refill, which is in the back right there, you can see the dipstick. That's where the little dipstick handle for the transmission, that's where you're gonna refill it. So I removed the solenoid already. I put the pan down there to catch the transmission oil. But here's the original one. This one don't have part number either, so there you go. But this is the original one on the car. I don't know why there's no part number. Now I'm gonna put in the new one. Make sure you guys, before you guys put in the new one, clean out the surface right here, so that way the new gasket on the new one, it sits better, no leak. So I clean out the surface of it already. I'll put in the new one, wipe the spot. For the connector, make sure you guys check the connector, the wires in the back right here. Make sure there's no damage to the wire or ripped or anything. For the pin inside, make sure there's no damage or bent or corrosion. This one looks good, so just go ahead and put it back. There you go, black one on top, brown one to the brown one. There you go. And then just go ahead and put back your battery tray and the battery. I got everything put back already. Now I'm gonna drain the transmission fluid. For the solenoid, I bought it on eBay. It's $75, but I don't know how much it will cost at Honda. Probably more. So I'm gonna be draining the transmission fluid. Put in my 3/8 ratchet, and then wow, this thing is hard. There you go. And then just take it out. There you go. Let it drain out. It's kind of dirty. The drain bolt, it was a lot of metal shaving, so I just go ahead and wipe it out, make sure it's all clean, and then just put it back. There you go, and then tighten it down, and then you can refill it. Dipstick, it's right in the back here. You can see where that hole is. That's where I took out the dipstick, and now I'm going to put in my funnel to refill it. Suppose it says 3 quarts on the computer, so yep, right there, exact mark, a little bit over the high. That's perfect. On the computer it says exactly 3. Yep. So this is a tranny fluid I put in for the Honda Civic. This is the same thing as the Honda. So right now I have the engine running. Put in 3 quarts already. Focus the camera. I don't know if you guys can see. Why is it not focusing? There you go. So the fluid is flowing, so it's above high mark, so that's perfect. So right now I have the key on. I'm gonna clear the code. Since I take out the battery, the code is not gonna be here because I took out the battery. So for you to replace the linear solenoid, is it gonna help you solve the transmission code? That's a 50-50. Half of the time, you know, you can get away with it just replacing the linear solenoid. If you replace it already and it doesn't go away, the code come back, then you're gonna have to replace the whole transmission. The linear solenoid is about $75, plus the fluid is about another $40. So probably maximum you're gonna spend is for the solenoid is about $150. So it's worth a try. And you can see there's no code, and this car does have code for the linear solenoid and the transmission. So and the evap code, but she called me back. She don't want to fix the evap system either. She just want to fix the linear solenoid code. So it's worth a try. So I'm gonna clear it anyways. There you go. I'm gonna clear the transmission also. I don't think there's any code. Yeah, no code since I take out the battery. So if you guys gonna try changing out the linear solenoid, good luck to you guys if it goes away. But if it doesn't, you're gonna replace the whole transmission. I'm gonna clear it too. There you go. That's it. Key back on. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.